In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 3 Kashmiri youth in Budgam district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth were killed by the troops during a cordon and search operation in Waterhill area of the district. The operation was going on till last reports came in. All parties' Hurriyat conference leaders have paid glowing tributes to the prominent Kashmiri leader Shaheed-e-Azimat Sheikh Abdul Aziz on the eve of his 14th martyrdom anniversary. Sheikh Abdul Aziz was shot dead by Indian troops on 11th August in 2008 while he was leading a procession from Srinagar to the line of control against the economic blockade of the Kashmir Valley by Hindu extremists based in Jammu. Illegally detained APHC Vice Chairman Shabir Ahmed Shah, in a message sent from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail and released in Srinagar, highlighted the contribution of the martyred leader on the ongoing Kashmir freedom movement. Incarcerated leader Naeem Ahmed Khan said that Sheikh Abdul Aziz championed the Kashmir cause throughout his life and even rendered the ultimate sacrifice for the purpose. Other Hurriyat leaders including Ghulam Muhammad Khan Supori, Sayyid Bashir Andrabi, Chaudhry Shaheen Iqbal, Ghulam Nabi War, Abdul Ahad Parra, Aqib Wani, Zamrudda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Farida Behenji, Dr. Museb Muhammad Farooq Rahmani and Sheikh Abdul Mateen said that the Kashmiri people would not allow the sacrifices of their martyrs to go in vain. They said the best tribute to Sheikh Aziz and other Kashmiri martyrs is to carry forward the sacred cause for which they have laid down their lives. An Indian soldier committed suicide with his service rifle at Indian Army's camp in Miran Sahib area of the Jammu. This incident raised the number of such deaths among Indian troops and police personnel to 551 since January 2007. An Indian parliamentarian and Sikh leader Simranjit Singh Mann, in a video message, called for boycott of the Modi government's Har Ghar Tiranga, hoisting of Indian flag on every house campaign in the Indian state of Punjab. He asked the people to hoist Sikh flags instead of the Indian flag atop their houses on India's Independence Day on August 15. In New Delhi, Pakistan India People's Forum for Peace and Democracy, in its recommendations on Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, called upon India to end the regime of detention and incarceration of socio-political activists and immediately release all political prisoners in the territory. The forum, created in late 1993 with an objective to ascertain the viewpoint of common people in both the countries on the issues like Kashmir, urged New Delhi to immediately stop the land grab in the name of Srinagar Master Plan, the new land policy, the declaration of strategic areas, and the distribution of land to non-locals in the garb of mining.